Hey everyone, back with another video. Today we're going to be making slime. You can see that my brother already has slime.
It's me, Mario.
You can see him playing with his pink slime. Pretty goldy.
And it's sticky. Yeah, sticky.
Okay, well let's start.
Okay.
First you put a whole entire thing of glue inside of it. So just get in there.
Oh, geez, that's a lot. yeah, it's a lot. You need a lot of glue for slime. Yeah.
You do.
Ow! I don't have one.
Let's get the whole entire thing in there.
I don't know where look how much I made a pool of it. And then next,
Put in the shaving cream.
put all you.
No, you guys are gonna have to use the same one.
I'm using it first.
Don't use all of it.
Yeah, that's what noise it makes.
Here, let me help. Okay, that's good on your end.
Now I'm gonna add the food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 4 drops.
I'm going to use 3. 1, 2, 4.
Are these 4? Is this 4 drops?
Yeah.
I did 4.
Let's mix it.
Then mix it.
Yeah. Oh, I got my finger.
Oh, jeez. Do not try this at home.
Yes, try this. It's okay to try this at home, Sylus.
Since it's messy.
Sylus, you can just clean your hands afterwards.
You gotta stir it up first.
Oh, dang it. Wow.
Yeah, Mom calls him Bud.
Yeah.
So far, it's going pretty good.
Yep.
So
You gotta mix all
by
the
the way,
glue
this is
in.
his this is his channel. I'm about to be making a channel of my own.
You want me to help you?
Dang, it got stuck on. Just had to help Sylus with his.
Hold on, you only put a little bit of this in, remember?
I'm trying to get that out.
What are you putting in, Sylus?
Laundry detergent. I'm not detergent. Yeah. And there's a lot of
I'm trying to get it off. Okay.
And I mixed with the hand.
No, you mix with the spoon first. Remember?
Whoa.
Is it gonna be a little bit darker after this?
Yeah, maybe because the detergent's blue.
I know.
Wow. It's becoming more slime-like. Look, it's stuck. I just ripped that slime. Oops, I got slime right there. I'll pick it up.
You gotta stir it really good, like Damian. He's doing really good.
Look at mine, like, you. Okay, am I done?
No, not yet. Here.
Oh, it's so
Am I done?
mixed with the hand.
Can I do it again?
Yeah, pick it up.
Not, what do I put? Whoa!
There we go. Just put the spoon on the table. Pick it up and mix it with your hands.
jeez. That's hard. And it's stuck. Oh, jeez.
It's okay. It gets sticky at first, but then it will get better.
Off my hand. It's not becoming any slime-like.
We are basically, well,
Trying to get the
Are you just playing with it now?
you think I should just wash my hands? Well, I'm basically mixing it so that it looks more blue-like. Wait, is
No,
it?
it's so it would be more slime, like harder.
Yeah, look at this though. Is this good enough?
What do you got there, bird?
slime?
Yours is already done, huh?
I was
Wait,
playing
what? Are you
with
making
it
another
so
video?
fast.
Yeah.
We're making another video.